We will show you how to create text animation in After Effects 2026. First, let's start clean by creating a new After Effects composition. Under the Window menu, make sure you are on the default workspace. Let's create our text and make sure it is centered. Under Properties, set Position to 0. Then, under the Align tab, center it both horizontally and vertically. Now the text is centered correctly. From the bottom right, unfold Effects and Presets. Then, under Animation Presets, select Text. Double-click the text effect you want to apply. Let's preview it. All done. Please subscribe